In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign Microsoft Copilot licenses to users in your organization. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right admin permissions, since license management options may not appear for standard users. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main admin dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, expand the billing section and then click on your products. This area shows the subscriptions and products that are currently active for your organization. If you manage several Microsoft services, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you select the correct product. Next, find Microsoft Copilot in your list of active subscriptions and click on it. This opens the product details page where you can review information about the subscription, including available licenses and assignment options. This is the page you'll use to control who has access to Copilot in your organization. Near the top of the page, click the Assign Licenses button. This will open the license assignment panel or window, depending on your admin center layout. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Microsoft occasionally updates the interface, but the overall process remains the same. Now, in the search box, type the name or email address of the user you want to assign the license to. As you type, matching results should appear. Select the correct user from the list. It's a good idea to double check that you've chosen the right person before continuing, especially in larger organizations where similar names may appear. Once the user is selected, click the Assign button to confirm. This gives the user access to Microsoft Copilot. In many cases, the change applies quickly, but sometimes it may take a short while for the license to fully appear on the user's account. If you need to assign licenses to more people, simply repeat the same process for each additional user. If you've finished assigning all available licenses, click Done to close out the assignment window and return to the product page. And that's all you need to do to assign Microsoft Copilot licenses to your team. It's a simple process once you know where to look in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other admin tutorials for more helpful tips.